Another Stephanie in the making. It will end in. Thank you. You will calm down. Nobody will push you. You will calm down. So continue.
Yeah. So tonight, I think anything goes.
Yay! I say tonight anything goes. See, if that's your favorite memory verse, and you're one here. Today I say anything. Yeah, the Ghana must go about. Ghana must go. Yeah, they are back. We are coming for your tears. And Fatima, aka Girl Dumb Boss. Charlie, the last time you gave us Fubu, today filler, and Charlie from Cochito to Linesman. If you know, you know. So what's up for tonight?
I'm just waiting for my body part.
Which all which part you gave us here? Hey, and yeah, if you came with all your body parts, then we don't know what you do here. You left some Mponier. Who did you come with? Who did you come dancing with? And yeah, she even felt left alone. Because that two part that you gave, she was like, je n'ai pas tout paillon.
Simple.
So you are ready for action tonight. All right, Virgin 2.
Virgin 1.
Hey, forgive her. She came to meet you here.
Yes.
So you are the first and only original virgin.
Yes, please.
That today you decided to go chin chin chong. How are we? You tried the Ghana style, it didn't work.
Yeah, I'm
hoping. China. In China we say Xin Fun Xin Chuan. It's supposed to mean how are you doing?
Okay.
Yeah, how are you?
Now I just was saying.
Xin Fun Chuan. Then you just say song. Yeah. So that means you are doing well.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Yeah. So what are your expectations tonight?
Oh, I'll fight again.
She came looking it. You will fight tonight for your love and what you want. You are not going to allow any of them to intimidate you.
No.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, from the break, we get to meet our very first guest.
People, taste the victory.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
John, I don't know.